Okay, so next topic, the mechanical engineer and society. So for ML 47, ML law. So introduction, mechanical and society. Today, we are living on an advanced world. A highly societies run by highly a necessity for the many. For them, our nation should continue building its block towards success and development. Components in this goal towards success, mga kasama. Mechanical engineers is one of Mechanical engineers are modern professional trained by highly competitive instructor with world-class institution. Sa world-class yan. They are modern individual trained to help the nation on building its block towards success and development. They have skills and abilities required for the nation development. The presence of mechanical engineers toward this ultimate goal is highly appreciated and should always demand for their presence because their skills are very useful. Mechanical engineering, a broad profession. So ito yung mechanical engineers covers heat and energy. Mechanical engineering covers transportation, automotive. Letter C, mechanical engineering covers machines. D, mechanical engineering covers mechanical designing. E, mechanical engineering covers main industrial plant manufacturing. Then, mechanical engineers are useful. A, mechanical engineers provide state-of-the-art machines. B, mechanical engineers secure the safeness of industries. C, mechanical engineers maintains the stability in the mechanical world. So, mechanical engineering, a broad profession. So, mechanical engineers are professionals who graduated a degree of Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering and passed the licensure examination organized by the Professional Regulation Commission of a certain nation. The field. In order for a nation to grow and develop, it should first improve the quality of life and technologies that it covers in order to fully enforce its improvement. Diba, mga laboratories. There are many aspects and fields in nation development, and few of it is covered by the field of specialization of mechanical engineers. Some of it is very useful and necessary in improving the level of development on a certain nation. Some of the factors that is covered by mechanical engineers are heat and energy, transportation, automotive, machines, mechanical designs, and industrial plants. These are only few of the fields covered by mechanical engineers that can possibly help in nation building. Engineers that can possibly help in nation. Okay, na doble. As you continue reading, you will be reading different fields of mechanical engineers that is required in nation building. As we continue, okay? For the heat and energy, we have heat and energy are the primary sources of life in the industrial world. Without it, major industries would be paralyzed. Thus, bringing much pain in the country for major industries will close and many people will be jobless. The importance of heat and energy in the nation is very necessary, even though it does not directly sustain the life of the nation. So it is really important that someone would manage and maintain the stability of heat and energy. The presence of heat and energy is usually be very helpful. So mechanical engineers does the job in maintaining and improving the quality of heat and energy system in the country. Mechanical engineers are so professionally trained to design and produce machines regarding the production and different ways of producing energies. The presence of mechanical engineers in energy stability is really important. That is why many mechanical engineers are in demand in the different energy production companies. For the transportation. Transportation is truly helpful in our everyday lives, for it's one of the basic requirements requirements in order to attain our individual goals. Transportation also made our lives easier. It can also save energy, our energy and time, for it can instantly transfer certain things to a certain place without applying too much effort and time. Transportation plays also an important role in nation building. It can be seen in different angles. It can speed up and hasten up the speed of the industries. It can deliver goods to a certain place in just a short period of time. With the advantages of transportation, we can really say it that it is very important in our ultimate goal of success in our country. Transportation is run by heat and energy. It uses heat transfer to make cars, planes, trains, and trucks move. It uses physics to explain how a car moves and how a plane flies. This field is one of the fields of specialization of mechanical engineers, the saying that mechanical engineers play an important role in sustaining and improving the quality of transportation. Machines. Machines, so-called the lifesaver, for its main function is to make our lives easier. With machines, we can make a certain job on less time. Machines are also efficient because it doesn't require too much effort to make it functional. It just needs a little of science like physics to make it move and does its job. Machines is really important in helping the nation. With this, people can make more things and make them more useful to the society. With this, people can be more effective in helping the society in building more blocks to attain success. Lastly, machines also is one of the field of specialization of mechanical engineers. It is one of their specialty as engineers to design machine and develop and discover more useful machines that can possibly help the people in obtaining success. So mechanical designing. Most mechanical engineers work in the design and control of mechanical, electromechanical, and fluid power system. As a mechanical engineer functioning as a design engineer, it is likely that you would be involved with one or more technical specialties. For example, robotic system design, computer coordinated mechanism, expert system design, computer aided engineering, geometric design, design optimization, kinematics and dynamics of mechanism, cam design, gear design, power transmission, or design of machine elements. Design engineers take into account a truly wide number of factors in the course of their work, such as product performance, cost, safety, manufacturability, serviceability, human factors, aesthetic appearance, durability, reliability, environmental impact, and recyclability. Next, design engineering. ME design components, internal machines, complex structures, system, and processes. This work requires a knowledge of the basic sciences, engineering principles, materials, computer techniques, manufacturing method, and even economics. New and challenging problems come along with regularity. If you are working for an aircraft company, today's problem may be vibration in an engine. Tomorrow it may be wind noise, stress on the landing gear, or a need to increase lift at low speed. Next is main industrial plant manufacturing. Manufacturing and contemporary manufacturing companies, mechanical engineers play a key role in the realization of product, working closely with other engineers and specialists in corporate management, finance, marketing, and packaging. Aim is design products, select materials and processes, and convert them to finished product. They design and manufacture machine tools, literally the machines that make machines, and design entire manufacturing processes aided by latest technologies in automation and robotics. Finally, the finished product are transported in equipment designed by mechanical engineers. This is the largest area of employment for mechanical engineers, especially when the process and textile industries are included. A finished product requires the right material, a viable plant and equipment, and a manufacturing system. This all comes within the purview of mechanical, manufacturing, and industrial engineers. Next, manufacturing engineer. About how all MEs work in companies that manufacture something, such as consumer goods, transportation, or industrial equipment. Another 16% work in the process industries, like petrochemical or pharmaceutical. The challenges are as diverse as the product, from miniature devices used by surgeons to disc drive or massive pieces of industrial equipment. This work calls for analysis of materials, manufacturing processes, thermal processes, controls, electronics, and as in all of engineering, teamwork skill. Materials handling and engineering. Materials must be delivered at the right time, place, and in the right form. A challenge with the costly, exotic, and sometimes hazardous material used in some industry. Some MEs specialize in material transportation, handling equipment and procedures, hazard control technologies, and in the training of employees who work with this material. Plant engineering and maintenance. Okay. Competitive industries must often update their plants, manufacturing equipment, and operating procedure. This must be done quickly and with the least possible disruption. MEs in plant engineering focus on systems, equipment, processes, and facilities. They provide creative solutions that allow companies to meet their goals for quality, safety, and cost. Process industries. The ME process engineer changes material from one form to another or give them new properties. They can then be used in manufacturing component and finished product. The ME process engineer design and build the system and machine that heat, cool, soften, harden, or liquefy substances. Anything from industrial fluid and gases to metals or even food products and pharmaceutical. Textile industries. Textile manufacturing is a global industry that depends on automated equipment to prepare and handle fiber, weave or knit fabrics, manufacture finished apparel, and handle finished product. Multinational textile industries turn the MEs for expertise in plant design and construction, equipment installation, programming and control, techniques, operations, and maintenance. Mechanical engineers are useful. So, mechanical engineering is a really broad profession because it has lots of uses and advantages. The fields that it covers are really useful in nation building. Thus, we can really say that mechanical engineering is very useful. Okay? So, this is the topic, second topic.